Episode number 5.
Ja, die gaat vloggen deze episode. Zie je toch het verschil?
We are going once again to Stavoren.
Already seen those episodes.
Exactly.
See something new.
Once we were in Stavoren, we tried reversing with the Albin Vega, but as you might know, it's very difficult to steer the boat when reversing. Even after 1 year of having the boat, we still don't have a clue which direction it turns. So I guess it's go with the flow. Here on the IJlst we had very perfect sailing conditions. I guess we are lucky bastards.
Makkum.
Makkum wordt afsluiten.
After we visited Makkum, we thought it would be nice to go through Friesland, through all the small canals, and I think we needed to cross about 10 bridges. Hello everyone, this is our last day of our trip. We're sailing back to our home harbor again, Heeg, after beautiful days of sailing. We met our parents who rented a motorboat, and we guided them through Friesland. It was really fun to see them, to play some games with them, to drink some wine. It's really nice. Now my girlfriend is coming and Tom is hopping off to see his girlfriend back home. So for me it's another couple of days more sailing, and I want to show you the perfect sailing conditions we're in. We're in early morning now, so there's no one on the water here, and we fixed the boom for the Genoa. And we also have, I think in Dutch it's called the bulletali, to fix the main sail for extra safety. Zo'n mooie goodbye sail is dit.